Welcome back. Today, we're pitting the productivity king Moto G Stylus against Samsung's fan favorite S26 FE, the camera-heavy Huawei Nova 15 Ultra, and the raw power of the Poco F8 Pro. Which one actually deserves your pocket space? Let's find out. If you crave that massive, cinematic feel, Huawei takes the lead with the most expansive screen here. Samsung and Motorola offer a comfortable middle ground, while the Poco feels noticeably more compact, making it the go-to choice for anyone who prefers easier one-handed use. Huawei wins the clarity battle with the highest pixel density, making everything look incredibly sharp. Surprisingly, Samsung lags behind with a lower resolution, while Motorola and Poco offer a solid, crisp upgrade for your daily scrolling and media consumption. Motorola's screen gets insanely bright for outdoor use, while Poco's color depth makes every image pop with professional-grade accuracy. Motorola's stylus support is a game-changer for precision, whereas Huawei uses AI to keep your eyes fresh during long sessions. For pure, unadulterated speed, the Poco is in a league of its own with that elite-tier silicon. Samsung holds its own for flagship tasks, but Motorola definitely targets casual users, lacking the raw muscle needed for heavy gaming or intensive multitasking. The benchmarks don't lie. Poco is a literal speed demon, nearly tripling the performance of the Motorola and Huawei. Samsung delivers a smooth, high-end experience, but if you want the absolute fastest phone on the market, Poco is the undisputed heavyweight champion here. This is where things get serious. Huawei is a photography beast, featuring a variable aperture and a high-res periscope lens that captures stunning detail at a distance. It's easily the most versatile setup for pro-level shots. Samsung stays reliable with its classic triple lens array and great optical zoom for those portraits. Poco focuses on high-res main and telephoto sensors for sharp shots, but it lacks the sophisticated glass of the Huawei. Motorola keeps it simple and functional, but can't really compete when the lighting gets tough or you need to zoom in deep. If you live for the perfect shot, the Nova 15 Ultra is the clear winner, offering hardware that feels more like a dedicated camera than just a phone. Samsung and Poco lead the pack if you need ultra-high-definition video for the big screen. Huawei focuses on smooth, vivid colors, while Motorola sticks to standard high-def, which is fine for social media, but lacks that professional cinematic edge. Samsung's AI tools make editing a breeze, but Huawei's physical variable aperture gives you real control over depth and light. It's a battle between smart software and superior hardware, leaving the others feeling a bit more basic in comparison. Huawei absolutely dominates the selfie game with a massive dual-camera setup that's perfect for wide group shots and vlogging. Motorola also offers great detail for your socials. Surprisingly, Samsung uses a lower resolution sensor, though its focus is top-notch. Poco provides a standard experience, but if your face is your brand, the Huawei is the only real choice here for that crisp, ultra-wide look. Huawei packs a massive cell that will easily last through 2 days of heavy use, with Poco following closely behind. Samsung has the smallest capacity here, so you'll likely be reaching for that charger much sooner than the others. Motorola's stylus is unique for creators, while Samsung's long-term support and Huawei's satellite messaging offer incredible peace of mind. Motorola offers the best value for budget-conscious buyers, while Samsung and Poco demand a premium for that extra flagship power.